Hello guys, am I audible? Very good morning to all of you.
Yeah, hi Sonali, you're audible.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear. Okay, so guys, when are you guys celebrating Diwali? On which day you are celebrating Diwali?
Thursday.
First downwards.
October.
First.
It's on 31st here in Jharkhand.
Okay.
31st.
Okay. We are
But
also
we started
celebrating on
from
30.
first onwards.
Lot of confusion is there regarding the same. On which day to celebrate? Okay. So we were doing VI. I taught you guys VI. Okay, so and thorough with it. Okay, I'm moving ahead now.
Sonali, before we proceed, I have like one doubt from the previous class, if it's okay to ask.
Yeah. Please ask.
So Sonali, I was using nano command the last day. Uh, so
Okay.
uh, while using the nano command, I made one, I entered some records and I was trying to write out. So when I try to write out, it asks for a file name. Okay. So I gave a file name, say one.
Pardon again. Please repeat again.
Yeah. So when I was using nano command, okay.
Mm,
So I wrote a file, and to write out, I press Control plus O to write out. Okay.
okay.
So when I try to write out, it is asking for the file name to give a file name to that file, to the records which I created. Okay. So I gave it a name, say 123.txt. And but after that, I am not able to get out of that screen. I mean, how to save that file and quit?
Actually, I have not used nano command. Is
Okay,
nano
okay.
same as VI?
No, I mean, more or less it's same, but it's more user friendly. But not exactly same, I'll say.
Okay. Actually, I don't use nano command. Okay, I don't have any idea about that.
Okay, okay, no
Okay.
problem.
So try referring Google for that. It will help you.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Okay. So we were doing some Unix commands. I told you what is inode number. Anybody can tell me what is inode number? Yes, give it a try. What is inode number? No one knows what is inode number.
Sonali, inode number is a number which contains the metadata of that file.
Okay. Please explain the class in a easier manner.
Like what I understood is that um, inode actually doesn't store the file name or the directory name. Rather, it holds the metadata about the file. I mean, this is what I understood in general. That it is
Okay.
storing the metadata. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So moving ahead now. So we had done WC command. WC command is used for word count, line count, character count. All these WC command is used. Okay. Next is sort command. Okay. So what do you mean by sort command? Okay. So sort command is used to sort a file. Okay. Arranging the records in a particular order. By default, the sort command sorts file assuming the contents are ASCII code. Okay. Using options in the sort command can also be used to sort numerically. Okay. So what does the sort command do is sort command is used to sort for sorting purpose. Okay, either we sort the data in ascending order or we sort the data in descending order. Okay, or means based upon our conditions it will sort the data. Okay, sorting means arranging the file in particular manner. Okay, so here we can arrange that particular file in our way which we want. Okay, assuming if the contents are ASCII code means it is a text file. Okay, now let's see what is the situation. So firstly let us do some theoretical part. So sort command sorts the contents of the text file line by line. It is a standard command line program that prints the line of its input and concatenation of all the file listed in its argument listed in sorted order. Okay, so the sort command is a command line utility for sorting lines of text files. It supports sorting alphabetically in reverse order by number, by month, and also to remove duplicates. Okay, so this is called sorting. So let's check.
Hi, Sonali, we can't see your screen shared.
Oh, sorry, I have not shared my screen. Okay. Okay, so I make a file of number.txt. Okay, make it with me. Okay, so I make a file with number.txt. Okay, I write some numbers. Okay, write some numbers, close it with escape, shift colon WQ. Okay, has everyone made it? Did everyone do it? Is your file made? Please reply, guys. All of you.
Yeah, I'm turning on my machine, virtual machine.
Okay. Others? Shri,
Doing,
Sridhar, Gayatri.
doing.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Okay. Mahalakshmi, Ganeshram.
Yes, I'm doing.
Sorry, I'm not with my PC. I'll connect it with the laptop.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Okay, okay. Okay, so make a file like this, okay, and make a text file also. Okay, so make two files, number.txt and word.txt, suppose. or let me write a words, okay? Okay, I have written some words, okay? So what I do is I do sort. Okay, so I write sort word.txt. So you can see firstly it took the space as first, then A America, then D, then M, O, P, W. Means in alphabetical manner it has arranged it. Okay, so this is sorting. Okay, arranging in alphabetical manner. Okay, so if I do sort hyphen R, so it will arrange that in reverse manner. Okay, so this is sort hyphen R result. Okay, arranging the things in alphabetical manner. Okay, so sort hyphen R is done. Okay, so sorting the things in reverse order. Okay, which is word.txt. Now, if I do number.txt sort, okay, so I should sort my number.txt file as well. But you can see that it is not sorting my file. It is sorting only the first character of the file because it works on this technique only, that it takes the first character of each and every line and then it sorts it. Okay, but these are numbers. Okay, so you can see 0, 1, 12, 12. Okay, such big number shouldn't come at last, but it is coming in the middle because of 3. Then it is saying 3, 4, 4, 9, 5, 9, like this. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, so how to sort it? We have an option sort hyphen n. N stands for numerical sorting. Okay, so when I do that, you can see numerical sorting has been done. Is it clear? Clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, Sonali, yes.
Okay. Yes, Naveen, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are getting everything?
Yes, I'm getting, ma'am.
Okay. Rabin,
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
yes.
In Ubuntu, where you want to type the command, ma'am?
What?
Where you want to type this command and everything? Hello?
I did not understand what you are
Where,
saying.
where you we want to write the command, no, ma'am. That one I'm asking, ma'am. Where you want? In which folder?
Where do you want? Okay, so
Command
this is a folder. Let
folder,
me show
ma'am.
you.
Okay.
You go here. Okay.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is the terminal you will see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, click on this. A
Terminal,
terminal will
terminal,
open.
terminal only, no, ma'am. Terminal.
Yes, 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 yes. Make a
Okay, okay.
directory with a. Do you know how to make a directory?
No, don't, know, ma'am.
mkdir. Okay, make a directory
Okay,
with. Okay, so you have not revised my earlier sessions, I suppose, Naveen.
okay, ma'am.
Please revise it, okay?
Okay, okay.
Yes, Praveen, you are getting everything?
Yes, Sonali. Sonali, that Praveen is I am Bindu Madhvi. I am unable to change that name. I will
Okay.
change later.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so this is sort. Okay, as I told you, we have sorted normal. Okay, we have sorted in reverse manner. We have sorted in words. Okay, we have sorted in words. Now what we do is
Sonali, sorry to interrupt. This sorting, you have said that first command. No, what is that? Please share your screen and show me that one.
I did a sort word.txt. Okay, and I sorted the file. Then I did reverse of it. Okay, so I sorted in reverse manner. Then I did a number.txt sort. But sort number.txt, it's done in -n. Okay,
Okay. When we use this sort, actually,
when we want our file should be in proper manner. For that purpose, we use the sort.
okay.
And Sonali, suppose we are sorting a number file which is consisting of numbers, and we want to sort the numbers in descending order. How will I do that?
Okay. So what I'll be using is that in with help of this, and I'll put R also. So you can see my numbers are put in descending order.
Got it. Number reverse, right?
Yes, yes. So both the options you need to combine for that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Moving ahead now. Okay. So sort hyphen now if I have some month file. Okay. I'm making a month file. Okay. So this is some month's name. Okay. I wrote. Now what I do is I sort them, okay. Sort month.txt. I want that the month should be sorted in proper manner. Okay, January should come at the first. Okay, after that means whatever the months are there, it should be sorted in a proper manner. Okay, but this is not sorting. It is not. It is doing what? It is doing the sorting on the basis of first character A, D, J, J, M, N, S, which is wrong. Okay, which is absolutely wrong. So what I'll do is I have another option for sorting, which is hyphen M. Okay, M stands for month-wise sorting. So you can see then at that time May, June, July, August, September, November, December. Like this, the series goes on. Is it clear to all of you? Next is I taught sort hyphen K. Sort hyphen K means sorting a table on the basis of any column. Okay. So let's sort a table on the basis of a column. Okay. So vi table.txt. I make, okay. Suppose I write Okay, so I took like that, like this. Okay, now what I do is I want to that the sorting should be done. Okay, firstly, if I do sort table.txt, so it will sort on the basis of alphabetical manner of the first column. But somebody says to me that the lowest salary person should come at the first. Okay, sort in that manner. Okay, so lowest salary person should come at the first, sort in that manner. Okay, so what to do is, so I write sort hyphen k. Okay, k stands for column. Okay, so I do k2 table.txt. Okay, but you can see again it is not taking second column, it is taking second column first value 1 2 4 4 4 8 9. Okay, I'll add an n also here because I'm doing numeric, the column is numeric, so you can see it has sorted in a proper manner. Is the point clear to everyone? Since the column was numeric, I added an n. N is not used everywhere, but when you want that the column is numeric and you want that proper ascending order should be followed or descending order to be followed, okay, then you will use this k. Okay, sorry, n. If I want just first column, then I'll just write k1, or it is already done. All of you are doing that. Please send us screenshots of your screen. I want to see whether you guys are doing it or not.
Sonali, if there is no numeric, then we are not using n.
Yes, yes, exactly. N stands for numeric only.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, all of you send me screenshot of your screen. Let me see how many of you have done it. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes, all of you. Please send screenshots of your screen. Want to see how many of you are doing. Okay, good guys. Two only have sent it. Okay. Okay, so K is done. All of these options I have already taught you guys. Okay. Next is cut command. Okay. So what do you mean by cut command? Okay. When I have suppose a text file. Okay. I want to cut some data from that file. Okay. I want to cut some data from that particular file. For that purpose, we use this cut command. Okay. Some word I want to cut, some sentence part I want to cut. For that purpose, we use this cut command. Okay.
So, Sonali, can you speak a little slower? You're speaking a little bit fast. Hard to grab.
Okay. Cut command is used, okay, when I want to cut a portion from a file, okay. Some words I want to cut, some column I want to cut. Okay, for that purpose we use this cut command. Okay, so as it is written here, cut command in Unix is a command for cutting out the sections from each line of files and writing the result to standard output. It can be used to cut parts of the line by byte position, character, and field. Okay, so it depends upon us how we want the output. Okay, so let's
Please
start.
send the PDF of this.
Yes, I will send you, don't worry. I suppose I sent this PDF, fourth document. Have I sent?
Thank you.
Okay, so let's start that command. So suppose I have this file, okay, cat kk.txt. Okay, I do cut space hyphen c1, okay, kk.txt. Okay, so this will cut the first character of each line. Okay, so you can see the first character from each line H and T has been displayed. Now suppose I wanted that first and fifth character or sixth character to be cut. So you can see first and fifth character is cut. You can see here. Or I want first and second character to be cut. So I'll just put a comma in between and I'll write those numbers. Okay, only two characters can be cut. It's not possible that you do 1 comma 2 comma 5. Like this won't be possible. Okay, now what I do is I want to cut from 1 to 5th. Okay, then what to do? You can see how to cut from 1st to 5th. This is how we cut from 1st to 5th. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how to cut the characters from 1st to 5th. Okay, from first and fifth. If I want to cut, then we'll put a comma. If I want a range, then I'll put a hyphen. Okay, then we have another. Now if I want field to be cut, okay, I had this column.txt file now which we made right now, table.txt. Okay, so I want that second field to be cut. Okay, so how to cut this? Okay, cut space hyphen D. Hyphen D stands for delimiter. What do you mean by delimiter here? Delimiter means that how is my column separated? Okay, how are my columns separated? Stands for delimiter. Okay, so here you can see my columns are separated with a space. Okay, so the columns are separated with a space. Okay, space hyphen. Okay, if the columns would have been separated by a comma here, you can see, then I would have put a comma here, but right now it is a space, so I have put a space hyphen f2. Okay, for second column I want field, second field I want. Okay, then I write the file name table.txt. So you can see second column has been cut. If I want just first column, so I'll do it first or first column. Okay, so this is little bit of typical. I'm explaining it again. Okay. So hyphen D stands for delimiter. Delimiter means how my column has been separated. Okay, suppose if my column was separated with a comma or any other sign, I would have used the same. Okay, so what I write is like this. Okay, so you can see now the things have been separated by a comma now. So what I do is, you can see now the table.txt comma. So what I'll do is I'll change it here with a comma. Is it clear, everyone?
No, is it works as
T
only as a
stands for,
vertical?
pardon?
Is it works only on a vertical side or how?
Yes. It works only on vertical side.
Okay. So between the colon, that space refers to
What?
the colon. Between the colon, there is a space. The space refers to the functions, right? So if you give a comma, it will work as a comma. Like it will break between the words.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, please do it. I'm giving you 1 minute to complete it, then I'll move ahead. Okay, I'm moving ahead now. Cut command is done. Next is head and tail command. Okay, so head and tail. What do you mean by head and what do you mean by tail? Okay, so head works from above and tail works from downwards. Okay, as the name suggests. Okay, so head is used to take data from upper side. Okay, and tail is used to take data from downside. As you can see here, as the name implies, prints the top n number of data. Okay, and tail, as the name implies, prints the bottom n number of data. Okay, so what I do is head. Okay, suppose I have this file cat table.txt. Okay, I want the top three lines of the file. So what I'll do is head hyphen 3. Okay, table.txt. Then you can see top three lines have been accessed. Okay, if I want tail hyphen 3 table.txt, so you can see last three lines have been displayed. You can see the difference. Head starts from the top, whereas tail starts from the bottom. Okay, so you can see the last three lines it has displayed and the top three lines it has displayed. If I want just a tail hyphen 1, if I do, it will last first line, last one line it will display. If I do head hyphen 2, so top two lines it will display. This is how the head and tail concept is there. Okay, so we will mix both of them afterwards. Okay, then I'll teach you how to fetch lines from between of the file. Okay, because for that you need to learn piping. Okay, so firstly you guys learn what is this head and tail command. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, Sonali.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so cut command is done. Next is dd command. Okay, so what do you mean by dd command? Okay, dd command is used for conversion. It is a command line utility for Unix and Unix-like operating system whose primary purpose is to convert and copy files. Okay, so the primary purpose is to convert and copy files. Okay, so dd input file is this, output file is this, and conversion is uppercase. Okay. So dd input file name, output file name, and what do you want for conversion? Okay, all these things you need to implement. Okay. Okay, so what happens is, suppose if my file is proper, whole file is text file, okay, it is in small letters. I want that to be in capital letters, okay. For that purpose, we use this dd command, okay. And suppose if it is in capital letter, I want it in small case, okay. For that purpose, we use dd command. Okay, suppose I have this kk.txt, okay. I make it little bit big, okay. Okay, now I write td. Okay, input file name is IF stands for input file name. Okay, then output file name in which I want to store the output. Okay, suppose if I give it to kk1.txt new file. Okay, and conversion I want that it should come in uppercase. Okay, because it is already there in lowercase. So you can see that whatever the things have been done, okay, it has shown me that 147 bytes copied in this second, and what is the speed, each and every detail it is showing us. Okay, if I do cat kk1.txt, so you can see here.
Sonali, please explain this once again.
Okay. If I want that the conversion to be done either in capital letters or in, this is just a small file, I'm showing you the example. But in companies, obviously, you will be tackling with lots of data file, okay? Very, very big data files, okay? Which should be having thousands of lines, lakhs of lines, okay? So if somebody says to you that you have to convert that file into capital letter, okay, or in small letter, whatever it is, whatever the situation it is, okay? For that purpose, we use this dd command. Okay, for that, this is the syntax. Input file is equals to whatever the file name you want to give, which you want to convert. Okay, output file is in which you want to store the converted things. Okay, and conversion is u case, means uppercase. Or if I want lowercase, it will be low L case. Okay, and you can see the file earlier the file used to look like this. I have made a copy of it, okay, which looks like this. Is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
Original file first of all, then we need to convert. Is that right?
Pardon?
Like we need to make a backup of the original file and then we need to copy.
No, no, the original file is already there in kk.txt. You can see my output file is
Okay, it's
the
KK1.
converted
Okay,
things
okay,
are,
got it, got it. Right, right, right.
okay, you can give another name. I have just written kk1. You can give another name as well, okay?
Please tell once again.
Okay. Uh, DD, you understood what is the purpose of DD? Yes, DD, you understood, dear?
From head of the fourth line. vkk.txt.
Okay. Input file, I am giving the name of the input file kk.txt. Okay, this is my input file kk.txt. As you can see, this was having this much amount of data. I want to convert it into uppercase. Okay, so that's why I want to convert it in uppercase. I write OF is equals to, okay, output file is equals to in which I want to store the data, converted data. Okay, then conversion, what I want uppercase. Okay, u case we write, and just you can see here that kk1.txt means output file kk1.txt is having everything in capital letter. What we wanted. This is what we wanted. Is it clear?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else, guys? Any problem to anyone?
Sonali, if the first letter will be in caps and other it's in small, how that can be created?
Nothing. Everything will become in caps. It does not matter whether some data is there inside already in caps or not. Okay. Everything will become in caps. Okay.
No, Sonali, what I'm asking is like hello, H it should be in caps and ELLO it should be in small alphabets.
So this is already in my file now.
And again, W it should be in caps and E it should be in small. Is that not possible?
This no. This is not possible. Either in capital or small. Okay, not like this kind of sync is not possible.
Okay, for suppose the weather is there, no? The weather. I want T in caps and HT like that, like small letters.
No,
Is that
no,
not
no,
like
no, no.
second line, second
This is
line?
possible. This is possible only with the help of scripting. Okay. Here it is not possible. When I'll be teaching you scripting now, then I'll be teaching you how to do that. Okay. But here, but with this command, this is not possible.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Any other questions? Okay, guys. So we will be continuing tomorrow. Okay. Rest. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you, Sonali.
Bye.
Okay, bye.